Hello children, here I am going to solve some questions from your book exercise. So question number 4 is find the place value of the underlined digit in each of the following. Here you can see that in a large number some digits are underlined. So we need to find the place value of these underlined digits. So let's take one example, which is question number A of question 4. Children, this is question number 4 from exercise 2A, and we need to find the place value of underlined digit in this question. So question A is here you can see 7 is underlined in this question, and we need to find the value of this place value of 7. So first we mark it with the places: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So here you can see that 7 is on 10 lakhs place. So we multiply this with so first we write the place of it, which is on 7, 10 lakhs. And then we multiply it with 10 lakhs. So the place value of 7 will be 7 into 1, which is 7, and rest zeros are there. So the place value of 7 in this number is 70 lakhs. One more example, which is question number H of question 4, and it is 10891, and the digit which is underlined is 9. So we need to find the place value of this. So first we mark the places of these digits. It is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So here place value of 9 is 9, you can see, which is on tens place, ones, tens. So 9 tens, which means 9 into 10 and 90. So place value of 9 and the particular number is 90. Now our next question is find the difference between the place value and face value of 7 in this number, which is 3,71,859. Means first we will find the place and face value of 7, and then we will find the difference of these two values to find the answer. So here is solution number 5. First of all, we write given number, which is 3,71,859. Then we will find the place value and face value of 7. So we can underline it. First we find the face value of 7, which is similar to the digit. There is no change in the face value of 7. Then we will find the place value of 7, which is first we find the place of 7. So we mark the place: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. Here you can see 7 is on ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 place. So we write the place value in words first of all, which is 10,000. And then we multiply 7 with 10,000. So the place value of 7 will be 70,000. Then we find the difference of it. Difference between place value face value of 7. So here is first place value, which is 70,000, and we are subtracting face value, which is 7. Here 0 minus 7, it's not possible, so we borrow from the previous digits, and this is also 0, so we are going next to next and we borrow from the 7. So at first we borrow from 7, it will convert into 10, and this will be 6. Again we are borrowing from it, this is 9 and this is 10. Again we are borrowing, so this is 10, this is 9, and at last this will be 10 and it will be 9. So here 10 minus 7 is 3, and rest digits are 9, 9, 9 and 6. So difference between place value and face value of 7 is 69,993. So children, if you will find any difficulty in any question, then you can text message to your class teacher so that we can discuss these difficulties in our further videos. Till then, bye bye.